Hello friends, I hope you're fine and doing good, and I guess you're staying at your home. If not, please stay at your home to keep yourself and your family safe. I guess you have watched my last video. If yes, that's amazing, and if no, that's fine. This video is made for beginners, and in this video, you're gonna learn new technique regarding portrait making, and this technique will help you throughout your life. So watch this video till the end. Before we begin, friends, subscribe, sketch me and press the bell icon for more videos and fun. So let's formally start. Friends, you can find a lot of videos regarding portrait making, but this video is quite unique. Let's explain the technique.
G.S.T. Geometrical shape technique.
As clear from its name, in this technique we are using geometrical shapes such as circle, square, rectangle and triangle in our work to make a perfect portrait. How? It is explained and shown in this video. We will show you how to use these shapes in making an eye, nose, lips and a face. So let's start from an eye. Examine your eye. Can you figure out with how many geometrical shapes your eye is made of? Good. Look at this portrait. I have made it using G.S.T and with one type of pencil. Let's get a closer look. Look the eyes. They are made up of two shapes, circle and triangle. The iris is circle and the remaining white part is triangle. After knowing these, it becomes very easy to make an eye. You can use other geometrical shapes instead of circle and triangle. It depends on you, whether you are using triangle and circle or oval and circle. I guess now you are able to make an eye using G.S.T. Now just watch me how I'm using these geometrical shapes in making an eye.